Cause that song, Book of Life.
of Life.
Oh my God. No, make we hear a piece of the Book of Life. You see me? You know, cause you know the other bridging up on the other side. Listen.
All right. Well, well, after the intro.
Yeah.
Song written by the mighty Harold Butler.
Yeah. Ah.
Life. No, I'm singing with the part. Look.
Yeah.
Life doesn't mean a thing to most of you. Till you have found $1 million bill. Life doesn't mean a thing to most of you. Oh no, no, no. Till you have found $1 million bill. There's so much more in life for us to see. Oh, yeah. But very much more than vanity. Yes, vanity. It's time that you look into the book of life. You see that there's more than vanity. It's time that you look into the book of life. You see.
Yardstyle live.